How to enter coordinates on Google Maps. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily enter your coordinates on Google Maps. So first thing, simply locate any of your place inside a Google Maps. So let's say I'm locating this place. So to copy that place location, pinpoint or coordinates, what you need to do is simply click on this coordinates, and as you can see the coordinates has been copied to my clipboard. So let's say I'll move to different position. Let's say I move far away from that. So to enter that particular coordinates, which was somewhere around here. So let's say I was lost over here, so simply paste the coordinates which you copied recently and just search, and it will take you redirectly to that particular place where you copied from. So that is exactly how you can easily enter coordinates on Google Maps. Hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.